Do you have a house in the Artesia area that needs to sell fast? Maybe you're behind on your mortgage payments and are trying to avoid foreclosure. Maybe you have a house that's outdated or needs costly repairs. Perhaps you have a rental property with problem tenants that's draining your energy as well as your wallet. Maybe you inherited a property and can't handle the upkeep. Or maybe you just want a simple, easy, hassle-free way to sell your house. Selling your house a traditional way to a real estate agent can take months, even up to a year if it sells at all. It takes a lot of effort and significant expense to fix up a house and list it for sale. If you don't have the time or the money to fix up your house, we can help. Solution Home Buyers is a local home buying company. We buy houses in any condition in as little as 10 days, and we buy in cash. When you work with us, you won't pay any fees or commissions. You don't need to fix or clean anything. And we can close in your time frame and pay cash. Our 3-step process is very simple. Step 1, just go to our website and fill out the short form or give us a call. Step 2, we'll set up a quick appointment to view your house and give you a fair offer. Step 3, close in as little as 10 days or longer if you need more time. House sold, cash in your hand. If this sounds good to you, please give us a call or visit our website and fill out the short form, and we can provide you with a fair, all-cash offer in as little as 24 hours. It's that simple. Appointments are free, so you have nothing to lose. We look forward to hearing from you soon.